Hey everyone, it's Will again, and today I'm joined by my friend again over here, Nawamin. Thanks for coming.
Yes, so excited. We did one recipe already.
Yeah.
I think it tastes okay. And
this time, I'll be the one teaching him, which is quite scary. If you've
no pressure.
If not seen him, he's actually on MasterChef.
Yeah,
last year. Pretty cool, yeah. And I'm on Dragon's Den, so together we are Dragon Chef.
Yes.
Right, so today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a perfect canapé for Christmas. Now, I'm using this really cool carrot-like.
Whoa, it's called Mooli, I think.
Yeah, this is a Mooli. So if you can't get Mooli, you can substitute this with radish or any carrots that you have. So what we're gonna do first is just, peel the skin off because you don't want to eat the skin. And you just want to skin this off really quickly.
Well, you're actually doing very well. When have you start cooking then?
I started cooking at the age of 5, I think. Yeah. Showing off. Yeah. No, I'm not showing off. The first meal that I made was actually instant noodle.
Okay, that's probably not cooking.
It is, because you need to use the hob as well. So yeah, anything that requires the hob is cooking. So yeah, so if you turn on and off the hob, that is cooking too, see? So what I'm doing right here is, you don't want the tail part.
Yeah.
Just chop it away.
And then put like, you're going to be a unicorn, so you can put that in there.
Okay.
It's a lot of
unicorn there.
Oh my gosh.
You're just gonna cut this about ½ inch thick.
Okay.
Because this will be the base of your canapé. Alright, so that's 1 and 2. So if you could do this for me.
Sure, yes, chef.
Cutting stuff.
Yeah, sure. Where did you get this recipe from then?
I don't know. From thin air. And that's why I went for Dragon's Den and not MasterChef.
Well, these the chili paste is actually tastes very good. So.
Oh, thank you. That's because it's my mom's recipe.
Okay, it's not your recipe.
Anyways, so now I'm gonna brine some prawns over here. So this is actually just normal cooked prawns.
Yeah.
So what I'm gonna do here is get a bit of salt. Okay. So just add some salt into this. Might as well just pour them. Some salt here.
Okay.
Next thing you want to do, get some water. With this one, got some.
You can use spoon.
No, don't worry. I use my fingers for everything. Good luck. Okay. Now we're just gonna add in all the prawns, just to brine it.
Okay.
Very simple. And that's it.
Okay.
This is just to get some flavors from the prawns.
Why you don't actually like put the salt directly on the prawn, or you have to brine it?
Because if it's directly on the prawn, it tastes overwhelming.
Okay.
So it gets too salty.
Okay.
So I just like to brine it so that it doesn't take out all the salt, but just a tiny bit, just the right amount. So yeah, we'll just leave this for a few minutes. Now we're gonna add the top bit of our sauce.
Okay.
So what I have here is some sour cream.
Yeah.
Now the cool thing about my cooking style as compared to yours is I never measure my things. So whatever that you see on my website that I put the measurement in there,
it's fake news.
Yeah, those are from thin air to be fair. Like in my culture, I don't know yours. I think
I actually don't do I don't measure everything.
See now you know those are from thin air too, right?
Yeah, I think it's for Asian cooking. We don't actually measure ingredients because we have 1,000 ingredients in one dish. So
that's right. Because our dishes are passed down from generation to generation. So I don't think at my great grandma's time they have a measuring spoon. They don't even know what that spoon is.
No.
Other than for eating rice.
Yeah, but you need to keep washing it, tasting it. Tasting is very important.
Yeah, that's right. So I'm adding about 2.5 to 3 teaspoon of.
And 4, 5, whatever. Okay.
Thanks. What was this again? Sour cream.
Sour cream.
Sour cream, and I'm also gonna be adding some sweet chili. Now, thank you. So I'll be shut up.
Okay.
So I'll add about ½ a tablespoon of sweet chili, and that's it. Just mix this around. Now, okay. But this will actually mild down the spiciness of our sweet chili, and then gives it a more rounded flavor altogether. And that's it. I personally like to just add a bit more salt on it.
Okay.
Or you can skip this. That's just me.
Okay.
That's all done.
Sounds good.
Joking.
And what do you do with this then?
So this one we're just gonna pan fry it. Like lightly pan fry it till it's a bit brownish on both ends and a bit translucent as well.
Okay.
Right, so let's move on to over here. Turn on the fire. Now, if you're using a non-stick pan, then you don't need to add any oil to it.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's quite healthy, isn't it?
Yeah, if you got like a stainless steel pan that sticks very well, then I'll say just add a bit of butter.
Oh, butter. Okay.
Yeah. So while this is pan frying,
yeah.
so let's make some other stuff.
Yeah. What are you gonna make?
We're gonna do the garnishing.
Yeah.
So these are just normal chops. So I hate chopping stuff, so I'll leave it to you.
Okay. How far you want it to be?
As fine as possible. Fine to the extent that I can't see them.
Okay, Shannon accepts it. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, you want it to be very small?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, that's for the garnish, right?
I can still see them, so it's not fine. Natural.
Do you have them?
No, they will become pure and I don't need it anymore. So yeah, that's about it. As simple as that. So right now we're gonna flip this mooli. See, when I cook as well, I just like to use my hand. Using that to flip is for the weak.
Okay, go for it. Okay, I'm shopping. So now Will's trying to show off by using his bare hand, flipping things.
Yeah, actually it's quite hot.
Right, I'm not giving you any help.
No.
So, right, okay, so now we're gonna mix everything together. Why are you doing that?
Yeah, we're almost done actually.
Can I test the sauce?
Yeah. Try it. This is amazing. Now,
Okay.
there we go. Just say it's nice.
It's amazing.
See? I told you it's nice.
It's actually very, very good because of the tanginess of the sour cream actually brings bring up the heat and the
That's
sweetness
right.
of the sweet chili very well. Yeah.
So like our sweet chili, we use 50% less sugar as compared to most sweet chili out there. So you get a lot more of the lemongrass and ginger flavors to it. So if you say you're gonna make this without the chili paste, you need to chop up a lot of like garlic, ginger.
Yeah.
It'll take up quite a long amount of time. So with this one, it's simple. Just add it in.
Yeah.
Saves you a lot of time. So it's done now.
Okay.
So as simple as that. So if you can see, I'll bring it here. This is the color that you want. Just a tiny bit of brown to it, and then a lot more translucent as before.
Yeah.
So that's it. So we're gonna just put this on a plate. Do you want to do it? I'll do it.
Just use your iron fingers.
Right? You see? Damn, it's hot.
Okay, baby, that's fine.
There you go. Oh my gosh, it is quite hot.
Right. Okay.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Okay.
This is really, really simple because the next thing that you want to do is to get the sauce that we've made
Yeah.
and add a tiny bit on top.
Yeah.
That's it, just a tiny bit. Right?
Yeah. Sure.
Then mix this again. Add this right over here.
Sure. It looks good.
Yep. I would personally, because I like it to be saucy,
Okay.
add a bit more on the top. Then, where's my choice? Oh, it's so fine that I can't see it now.
What can I say?
Okay, and that's it. This is your canapé. How amazing is this? This is one done, the rest he'll do it for you. Okay?
I didn't sign up for this, so that's fine.
I'm teaching you here.
Okay. Yes, chef.
So simple to make.
Okay. Should we taste
Together, yeah. Merry Christmas.
it? Cheers. Smells amazing. Mmm. Oh my god. It's so simple. And the flavors of the sour cream and the sweet chili paste is just so good. And the bottom of the prawn, the crunchiness of the
Yeah, that's right. You
the
still get like
mooli.
the crunchy from the mooli. Oh my god, this is so good. Do you want some?
Obviously, no, it's mine. Okay, for now. They're all mine.
There we go. Right, so guys, try this one out at home because it's really, really simple. Perfect dish for your Christmas this time. And if you need any more extra help or anything, just drop us a comment down below. And remember to follow Nawamin on his Instagram page.
It's here.
Yeah. And yeah, if you're making this, do share with us, tag us in, and
Just
we'll be
see,
the judge.
yeah, exactly, your version of this amazing canapé.
Of course, right. And wish you guys a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from the both of us here.
Yes.
See you later.
See you, Merry Christmas, guys. Bye.